Alright, so let's get creative with Ideogram by trying out their drawing tool. I'm gonna start with a very, very rough drawing of a glass of orange juice and then use the remix feature to add some magic to it. First, I'll draw the outline of the glass with a black color. Hopefully, it looks like a glass. Next, I'll select the color orange to fill it with orange juice, and I'll even add a pink straw in there just for fun. Finally, I'll add a slice of orange on the edge of the glass. Alright, look at that beauty. Now let's remix it. It gives me a description of what it thinks my drawing is, and it actually did a great job, even though my drawing is, let's just say, simple. But I want to change it to something like a photo of a beverage in a glass on a table with the beach in the background. I'm also going to lower the image weight to give the AI some creative liberties. And here are the results. Not too bad, right? How about we try using one of the color palette options to see how it's going to change the image? Okay, I like this. More saturated colors. Let's try something a little bit more extreme now. Let's try the jungle palette. Wow, that's cool. It seems like the time of day and weather changed. To finish it off, let's add some text in Photoshop. Oh wait, that's right. You can add text to an image by simply including what you want it to say in the prompt. Alright, let's have it say, enjoy your summer. And there you go. I have to say, this is a very cool tool. Go try it out for yourself and let me know what you think.